guys, what's up, what's good, what's good, what's up? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I get this big bouncy voluminous and bouncy wash and go look. Let's keep watching. So the first thing I use is the Alba conditioner, my rat tail comb, the all-time favorite Shea Moisture Jamaican black castor oil, the foam conditioner from bodyworks, papaya castor line, their scalp massaging oil, their nourishing curl jam as well. I'm going to be using the Ion Denman brush, my edge control brush, Ecostyling gel, a pick, and my headscarf. Let's get started. So I'm going to take the rat tail comb and just part my hair down the middle. When I do my wash and goes, I like to just do a middle part unless I'm doing like, you know, the basic side part or whatever. But middle parts to me are just easier because I only do wash and goes when I literally have nothing else to do with my hair. I'm out the shower and I have somewhere to go quickly. So I'm just sectioning those parts and then I'm going to add all the products that you saw in the beginning. Now the papaya castor line from Bodyworks, you can use my code Jillian for 15% off. I swear by all of those products, but my favorite are the curl jam and the scalp massaging oil that I've talked about on Instagram as well. They're my favorite because with the curl jam, I get the ultimate definition that I need for my wash and goes, and the scalp massaging serum, I just feel like it's filled with such good oils and it really does soothe an itchy scalp. So when I'm finished putting all those products in, I brush through with my Ion Denman brush because my actual Denman brush broke in half and so did my other Denman brush. So as you can see, my curls are nice and defined. I'm all about volume over definition, so I don't mind some frizz. That's why I kind of just brush through my curls and kind of just leave it to air dry, however it air dries. Now I also use the Shea Moisture Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner first, just because I have always used that leave-in conditioner. It has never steered me wrong, and I feel like it just gives my hair a lot of moisture that it needs. So then I'm just going to take my edge control brush and do my edges to sit under my scarf. Once I'm done with that, I just apply my scarf, and usually, depending on what time I'm doing my wash and goes, I'll do my makeup or I'll just finish getting ready. But it only takes a good 20 minutes for my hair to not fully dry, but be ready to pick out in order for me to head on out the door. So I'm just going to put my scarf on and do whatever it is that I need to do. And then I'm just going to start picking it out. Now, usually this happens when I'm about to leave. Really, I don't mind however my hair looks when I leave the house, especially when I'm doing a wash and go, because I know it'll just air dry and be big and voluminous. So as you can see, this is how I pick out my hair. Make sure to get at the roots. And there you have it, guys. The rest of the way is really just air drying for my hair. I would say my hair at this point is about 75% dry. I just leave it to air dry the rest of the way and pick it out throughout the day if that's what I feel like doing. You can also use a diffuser. I personally don't use a diffuser just because when I'm doing wash and goes, I usually don't have time for that. And I still have the definition that I would like. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them down in the comments below. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you know when I upload a new video. Okay? So with all that being said, stay blessed and stay sweet. Mwah.